Welcome back to Today we're diving into the world of keto-friendly pizzas. If you've been craving that pizza goodness but need to keep it low carb, we've got a treat for you. We're going to show you how to make a pizza that not only fits into your keto lifestyle but also satisfies those pizza cravings. With a cauliflower-based crust that's so tasty you'll swear it's the real deal. So grab your apron and let's get cooking. Stay tuned to learn how to make this delicious keto pizza. Let's kick things off with our ingredients. For a perfect keto pizza, we'll need a head of cauliflower, some mozzarella cheese, almond flour, an egg, baking powder, and a pinch of salt. Of course, a pizza wouldn't be complete without toppings, so grab your favorite low-carb pizza toppings like a sugar-free tomato sauce, cheese, pepperoni, or any keto-friendly veggies you love. With these ingredients, we're ready to start cooking. First, break down the cauliflower into florets and pulse them in a food processor until they resemble rice grains. This transformation is key to achieving that traditional pizza crust texture we all know and love. Be sure not to overpulse. We're aiming for a grainy consistency, not a puree. The magic of cauliflower lies in its versatility, and its ability to mimic carb-heavy foods makes it a star player in the world of keto cuisine. Now, transfer the cauliflower rice to a microwave-safe bowl. Heat the cauliflower rice in the microwave for about 5 minutes. This step is crucial as it softens the cauliflower, making it easier to work with. Once it's heated, you'll notice there's quite a bit of moisture. We need to remove as much of it as we can to avoid a soggy crust. So, wrap the heated cauliflower in a clean kitchen towel and squeeze out the excess water. This might take a bit of muscle, but it's worth the effort. Now, let's create our pizza dough. Combine the drained cauliflower with mozzarella cheese, almond flour, an egg, baking powder, and a pinch of salt. This delightful medley of ingredients will form our low-carb pizza dough. The secret is in the mixing, ensuring every ingredient is evenly distributed. As the dough comes together, you'll notice it mimics the texture of traditional pizza dough, yet without the carbs. That's the beauty of this keto-friendly recipe. With our dough ready, it's time to roll out the crust. Roll out the dough between 2 sheets of parchment paper to create your pizza crust. This is where you can let your personality shine through. Whether you're a fan of thin and crispy, or you're more of a deep dish devotee, shape the dough to suit your preference. Remember, this is your pizza party and you're the star. Once you've achieved your perfect round, flat, and inviting pizza base, it's time for the next step. Ready for the oven. Bake the crust in a preheated oven at 425 degrees Fahrenheit or 220 degrees Celsius for about 15 minutes. This is the time when our cauliflower dough transforms into a delicious golden crust. You'll know it's ready when it's beautifully browned and crispy. The aroma of baking pizza will start filling your kitchen, making you even more excited for the final result. Once your crust is ready, it's time for the toppings, so get those ready while the crust bakes to perfection. Add your favorite low-carb pizza toppings and pop it back into the oven. Today, we're keeping it classic with a simple spread of tomato sauce, a generous sprinkle of mozzarella cheese, and a handful of pepperoni. But feel free to get creative with your own toppings. Once decked out, it's back into the oven it goes. Let it bake until the cheese is bubbly and golden, a sight to behold. Soon enough, it's time to slice this keto masterpiece. Let's slice and taste our delicious keto pizza. The aroma wafting from this dish is simply irresistible, and it looks as good as any high-carb pizza out there. As we cut into the golden crust, the cheesy goodness is revealed. It holds together well, just like traditional pizza. And the taste? Absolutely divine. The crust is crispy, the toppings are flavorful, and it's hard to believe it's low carb. A keto pizza that satisfies those pizza cravings while keeping it low carb. There you have it, a keto pizza that tastes like the real deal. With this recipe, you can enjoy a delicious pizza without sacrificing your dietary goals. It's all about finding the right balance and making smart swaps, like our cauliflower crust. So go ahead. Give it a try and don't let your diet keep you from enjoying life's simple pleasures. Thanks for joining me today and until next time, keep enjoying those guilt-free keto delights.